Thank you, and may we all find inspiration and unity on this Juneteenth.
Okay, we were going to have a song. We'll have that in just a minute. I'd like for Abram Freeman to come up. He's our past president, and he's going to tell everybody about the Juneteenth Association of Louisiana. Abram.
Thank you very, very much. And I am so fortunate we have such a wonderful president. No matter how her days go, she's all things Juneteenth. So the Juneteenth Association of Louisiana is up and running. We have 16 members around the state, which are independent organizations, and we support them all in their efforts of educating our community on Juneteenth. But it's something very important that I think the state of Louisiana needs to know, is that if it wasn't for the state of Louisiana, there would be no Juneteenth. All right? When I stood before the legislature and explained that to them, I saw the chest kind of jump up and say, man, this is great. But let me tell you how it plays out. In the southern part, the southern border of the United States, Mexico, Maximilian to be exact, was acting up. And we needed troops around that area to protect the United States from the Mexican invasion that was threatening our area. They sent the colored troops. And on their way, there was an order to stop in Louisiana and pick this important order up and take it to Texas. And they did. And they were heading toward Beaumont area, and the weather went bad, and they ended up landing in Galveston, Texas. And when they got off those ships, there were well over 4,000 colored troops and some Union troops got off those ships with guns, and they went through the city of Galveston and declared the people free. They heard about it over 2 years, 2.5 years before, but they never had an opportunity to see free Africans in their area. But when they walked down the street, I could just imagine how they felt. And if you had an opportunity to go to the play, you would have seen it, because that's what the play was all about, educating our community. Why is this important? I stress this one point, that we are very proud to be in America. The first to die in the Revolutionary War was an African. It's written in the history books. And I believe that every drop of blood that was shed for this country that made it free, it meant that everyone, regardless of their race, their nationality, their color, their religion, Jew or Gentile, have a right to be here.
Yes.
You would never see me use the word a slave. It was an enslaved people. And the enslaved people never took on the mantle of slavery. Instead, they constantly fought to be free. And today, that fight is still going. Today is not the day to let down your guard. But we have to fight for everyone to be free. If it wasn't color, it would be size. If it wasn't size, it would be hair texture. If it wasn't hair texture, it would be your shoe size. Humans by nature are prejudiced. And by nature, we look after just people who are like us. But I dare you to look out for your neighbor. I dare you to ascribe to the thought that one great statesman said, I may not agree with what you're saying, but I will defend to the death your right to say it.
Yeah.
Let's give God a hand praise, because he freed America.
Next, we'll have a song by Sylvia Richard and Natalie Spencer. While they're coming up, I just want to acknowledge Senator Gerald Boudreaux, school board member Josh Edmond. I think he's still here. Councilman Elroy Broussard, he may have left. There he is in the back. Is anybody else, any other elected official here? aside from Kenneth, we don't need to give Kenneth any more accolades. We love you. And I want to thank you all for coming out. This is a great time, a good day for you to come out, celebrate Juneteenth, and know that you're not the only one celebrating it at all.
Take of this a hammer, take it to the canton, tell him I'm tired, Joe, tell him I'm gone. If he asks you, what's the water and got on the other side. The thing that they saw was that they could do it. They had the power to be free, even before Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation. They began to journey together. And one thing they said was, ain't gonna let nobody turn me around. Turn me around.
That was beautiful, ladies. Beautiful. I want to thank all of you for coming out to the celebration. I just want to let you know that Saturday, excuse me, at the musical festival, we're going to display our Juneteenth license plate. So a lot of you have signed the petition for that. We'll get to display it on Saturday, so that'll be good. That concludes our event. Please enjoy refreshments and have a good time. Thank you again so much for coming out. Any members, committee members, can you come up front for a picture, please?
in front but behind me. Thank you, Mayor. Can I take a picture with you, Mayor?
I'm trying. Okay, sorry.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. You ain't doing that. Hey, Vince. So you was about to say to his defense, right? Because they I know. Thank you.